6 hours.
The marine forecast for low
No.
westly south of East Point, New Jersey to moderate beach down west tonight. Southeast winds 10 to 15 knots.
Come on.
Seas 2 to 3 feet.
I lost it.
Slight chance of showers.
New Jersey has issued a flood warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland until 7:45 a.m. Monday at 7:50 p.m. National Weather Service.
Wait a minute.
Guys, and at Wilmington Airport, 5 degrees with light rain. Today, flooding was reported throughout the region. Periods of heavy rain will continue into tonight with some locations possibly receiving another 2 to 4 inches of rain. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. If flood waters threaten, move to higher ground immediately. The official National Weather Service. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
That doesn't make any sense, guys. That's from Mount Holly, New Jersey, and the station I just got it from was KEC 83 from Baltimore. Hold on a second. They gotta play it very soon, I'm sure.
Monday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs
Well,
of the mid.
while we wait, let's take a look at where it is.
Monday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwinds 5 to 10.
Hold on a second, guys, I'm sorry.
Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the upper 80s.
Alright, sorry, guys. Here we go, just down here.
Chance of rain 40%.
And here we go.
Tuesday night.
That flood warning was for Talbot County, which is right down here. Jeez, Talbot County's been getting slammed this entire day. They've been getting rain this entire day, which is kind of ridiculous if you think about it. They're gonna issue that very soon, I'm telling you right now. I mean, let's just like take a look at the past, what do you say, 1.5 hours, I think. But here's the alerts. You said 7:59? Oh, that was 5 minutes ago. Here's a map. Talbot County's right. Where is it? Wait. What? They gotta play it. Come on. I can barely tell where it is. I think Talbot's right. Yeah, it's right here. They've been getting rain all day today. It's terrible stuff, man, but, you know. Let's see what happens.